What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys an early look at the upcoming 43 Einhub collaboration with Adidas on the ZX 10000 in this joint path colorway. So 43 Einhub, and I apologize in advance for the terrible pronunciation, I don't speak a lick of German, but it stands for 43 and a half, and they're a German-based sneaker boutique celebrating their 10th anniversary this year. So as such, they've teamed up with Adidas to release their special ZX 10000, and this collaboration is nicknamed Joint Path. So a couple days ago, I got a massive package in the mail, and inside the box was this huge crate. So on the crate itself, you can see there's a ton of special branding on it. We have Adidas and 43 Einhub co-branding, and they even put my Instagram handle on it too. So opening up this crate, along with the shoes themselves, they also came with this white chocolate bar, a cup, along with a 43 Einhub branded towel as well. So this, I gotta say, is easily one of the most impressive packages I've ever gotten. So a big thank you goes out to Misha for sending me over this package. So these shoes are being raffled off globally starting September 11th, and I believe the raffle closes on September 18th. And they retail for a price of 140 euros, which is the equivalent to roughly 165 US dollars or 210 Canadian. And I couldn't find any information on the official colorway for this shoe, but based off of the box, it goes by sea brown, which might be core brown, O white, which might be off-white, and sea black, which I'm guessing is core black. So the inspiration behind this shoe, Joint Path, it celebrates the 10 years that they've been in operation, and the colorway is inspired by topographical maps and landscapes. So while the boutique itself was founded in Fulda, a town in Germany, they consider Frankfurt their second home city. So these dark gray hits are inspired by the cityscape of Frankfurt, whereas the lighter gray shades are inspired by sand, the beaches, and mountaintops. The green hits inspired by forests, the blue hits inspired by the ocean and water, and last but not least, these orangey red hits are inspired by sunrises. So jumping straight into the details of this shoe, this is your classic ZX or ZX for my American listeners, 10000 silhouette. The base layer of the shoe on the toe box, this is covered in a beigey gray colored nylon. Overlaid on top, we have this small hit of beige colored reflective 3M, and on the front toe cap, we have this dark gray colored nubuck. Moving downwards, we have this perforated suede, which has a very nice premium feel to it. And then as we move downwards, these middle three eyelets are constructed out of the speckled gray colored TPU, and attached to this we have the Adidas 3 stripes, which is done in a combination of dark gray and green. And then covering the bottom of the mid panel, we have this gray colored netting, with the Torsion logo found on the lateral side. Moving further back, we have another hit of this light beige or light gray colored suede, and beneath this we have more of that same nylon that we saw earlier on the toe box. Wrapping around both sides of the back heel, we have this gray colored TPU, which gives you added structure and support for the back end of the shoe. And then in between this, we have this gray colored netting. On the back of the shoe, so we have the Adidas Trefoil logo embroidered in black on the left shoe, and 43, which is their logo, on the right foot. And then above this, we have this blue colored reflective 3M hit with Adidas branding across the center. And we have this two-tone finish in nylon at the very top. So the laces intertwine through this lace lock, which is done in this blue color, and we have Adidas Torsion branding on it, but they also give you two extra lace lock options, one in green and one in red. As for the laces, so my personal favorite were these flat beige colored laces. I think it really lets the rest of the shoe shine, but they also come with extra options which are a lot louder. Underneath the laces, we have this nylon tongue. This is done in this dark gray colored finish. And at the very top, the tag here is done in this orange-red color, and they've modified the Trefoil logo by adding the fleur de lis, which is essentially the flower for the town of Fulda, and they've incorporated it into one single logo. Moving on to the insoles, so these come with a foam padded insole. It's done in that same orangey-red finish, and we have that same emblem that we saw earlier. This is done in a repetitive fashion throughout the entire insole. So the upper of these ZX 10000s sits atop this very chunky EVA foam midsole. This midsole is done in a combination of this gray and light beige colored finish, and then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is done in this two-tone finish. So the front half of the outsole is done in this beige colored finish, and the back heel is done in this vibrant green color. We have this circular accent on the back heel, which encompasses Adidas' soft cell technology, and in the middle we have this torsion bar, which gives you added torsional rigidity and mid-foot support. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these ZX 10000s. And for those wondering how these fit, overall I feel like they do run true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a US size 10 and they fit me perfectly. To give you guys a point of reference, I'm also normally a size 10 in ZX 8000s and 9000s as well. So whatever size you normally wear for the ZX series, I'd stick with that same size for this one. Moving on to comfort, so overall, comfort-wise, these aren't bad at all. I feel like these give me a good balance between support and cushioning. They're not overly soft, overly mushy, but at the same time, there's still a decent amount of cushioning, especially on the back heel. And overall, I felt like the upper felt pretty well padded as well, so my foot was pretty well contained in it too. And finally, overall, I gotta say this is a very well-made sneaker. First off, material quality I thought was exceptional. Everything from the flat nubucks, the hairy suedes, all of it in my eyes was very good quality. And in terms of the overall build on this shoe, my pair was pretty much flawless. I didn't notice any loose stitching, I didn't notice any glue stains or anything like that. So overall, very solid release. With all that out of the way now, let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. I feel like this shoe does a perfect job in capturing 43 Einhalb's 10th anniversary. I'll be honest, I don't own too many pairs of the ZX 10000. This was probably going to be my second pair in my collection, but this is a beautiful colorway and one that I'm very excited to wear, especially in the fall season. These are going to be raffled off globally on their website, and again, I think that their raffle starts on September 11th. So if you guys are looking to pick up a pair of these for retail, be sure to enter the raffle. Best of luck. Anyways, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Joint Path Adidas ZX 10000. What are your overall thoughts on the silhouette, and how do you think they did from a colorway perspective? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. Before I end this video, another huge thank you goes out to Misha along with the entire 43 Einhalb team. Thank you so much for this incredible collaboration and that amazing package as well. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the continued love and support. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this early look, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.